Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode 2 from season 2. About to start things off right by talking about cryptocurrency. What is going on with Bitcoin? As you guys are aware, Bitcoin took a steep drop. It dropped down to 40. It dropped down from like 48,000 down to like 38,500. But now it's kind of retracing up. So right now, what I'm seeing is that we're about to come back down for another push down before we come back up. So right now, I'm currently focusing on sell setups, trading Bitcoin. So those who follow me on my YouTube channel, you can see the analysis on this recording video of this Bitcoin that I'm looking to get in a setup for a sell. Pretty much, I like to look at different zones, like supply and demand zones. So I'm aware of a previous strong supply zone on a 4-hour chart. So I'm about to use that opportunity to take advantage of this trade if it gets in that zone to look for a sell setup. So right now, I'm going to have my stops above 44,140, and I'm going to have my take profit. This is for like a potential swing trade to 39, let's say 39,500 area. So I might close earlier. I might not hold for the whole swing, but that's my setup so far right now. So I've been observing this pair, waiting for the retracement to look back in for a sell. But for those who are not aware, there's different factors that cause Bitcoin to drop, and one was due to Grayscale, since they sold about 2.14 billion of their Bitcoin. They let that go, and therefore, when they decreased some of their assets, that caused the momentum in the markets, because that's a lot of volume being moved. That caused the market to potentially start to tank down. But I still see Bitcoin eventually getting past the 48,000 to past the 50,000 mark, but that could take some time. But there's a lot of good insights for Bitcoin since Bitcoin got approved by the ETF's approval. So a lot of mainstream financial institutions are including cryptocurrency. So that's a good thing, So it's gonna be more volume in the market in general. So that's always good to note. So overall, my analysis for Bitcoin, still looking for bearish setups, since we had a strong push down. So right now we're in retracement to the upside, but I don't see us ready to break through the 43,000 area. But if we do, I'm mindful to see if a retest. So I'm going to see if the market retests this zone or respects it, or if it's going to come back down to create a new low. So right now I'm just looking for this swing trade. Probably it could happen over this weekend. We don't know. We'll see. Just observing. And I know next week in the market is NFP week, non-farm payroll week. So there's going to be different news events that's going to affect the market, different fundamental analysis stuff that's going to happen. That's going to push the market or make the market drop. So understanding those events can give you an upper edge in the market. So that's what's so important, to understand the news events, do your due diligence to read up on what's going on, and also work on your technical analysis, understanding the basic support and resistance, as well as supply and demand zones. This year, I'm going to post some more videos about typical topics like support and resistance, trend lines, and supply and demand zone, so you guys can understand those basic fundamentals, so you're able to apply that to your trading to help give you more confidence understanding the trend. Because the trend is your friend. And working on risk management, that's also key too. We're going to discuss that more this year. So even if you're wrong and you have good risk management, you can eventually be right, because if you understand the market, what comes up must come down. and what goes down must come up. Those simple concepts. So if you have good risk management and you understand how to manage your positions, you'll be able to weather the storm even if you are on what's it called, drawdown. So I could teach you guys something about that on my YouTube channel, as well as live trading. This week I went live a couple times. Shout out to people that hopped on the live. You know what I'm saying? Went over a couple charts and had a decent week this week. I could have had a better week if I held, but it's all good. Profit's profit. So, maybe next week I might hold or just get in at a better position so I can stack more on the trade and maximize on my time, because, time is of the essence. So that pretty much concludes today's episode. Overall, Bitcoin, I see Bitcoin overall in the long run. I see Bitcoin go to the upside. I have Coinbase, so I do have crypto I'm just holding in general. But right now, for MetaTrader and trading in the markets, I'm looking for some quick sell swing moves. And that pretty much it. Definitely like, share, and comment on YouTube for this podcast episode, and let me know what you think. Right now, we out here. Peace.